Oh, we can hear the sizzle there of the chicken because we're having a chicken Traybake in the kitchen this morning.
With a bit of Nduja.
Nduja.
There you have it. Aisling Larkin, good morning to you.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
How are we?
So go on, we're doing chicken, Nduja sausage and everything else in a one-pot wonder.
Totally.
Kind of.
We've got the chicken on already. So this is everything in one tray. Keep it super simple. You can prep it the day before, prep it the night before, put it in the fridge, come home from work, in the oven in 1 hour.
Boom.
There's enough in this that you'll almost nearly get like certainly lunch for 2 people out of it the next day. I love it. So I'm starting with my pan on, chicken thighs with the bone and the skin. Now, this is optional. Use chicken fillets, use the chicken thighs that have the bone taken out.
Lots of chefs come in to us say they prefer the thighs.
Particularly for something like this, because the bone is there. So I'm putting it skin side down. I've seared it, right? Just cut a couple of cuts in it. So that's on. I'm going to just turn that pan back up a little bit. The skin is going to get like crispy chicken skin. Is there anything better than crispy chicken skin? Like delicious. Yeah. So that's going to bring this layer of flavour. The skin is going to protect the meat underneath, keep it really juicy. The bone is obviously going to release almost like a little bit of this gelatinous stuff that's going to kind of thicken up the sauce. So for this, it's a win. Chicken fillets, you'd be a bit afraid they might dry up just a little bit. But like all work. I've done it with all of them, right? So they're going on the pan. I'm browning them up. So everything is about layers of flavour. How do you build in the layers of flavour for something that's so simple, really? So that's why I'm doing it. Not essential, but it is nice to do.
Oh, I was going to say that you have to do that.
You don't. You can pop them in, and like they do brown up in a couple of minutes. Like it's starting to go golden already, which is lovely. So I'm going to leave those do their thing. We're going to start. We want like this oil or flavour that's going to coat everything, and everything is going to cook in it, right? So into my little bowl here, I'm going to put some vegetable oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Then the Nduja.
The Nduja. Now, Nduja is a sausage, but you have it in a paste here.
Yeah, so you can get it in the supermarket in a paste like this. Comes in a little glass jar, like lasts in the fridge for a while, you know what I mean? So it's handy. Now, when it's open, obviously use it within a couple of days. So it's a spicy sausage, so it's almost like a pork chili butter.
And you put it in, do you?
Yeah. I've been waiting all morning for that. Love it.
He was thinking about that for the last 5 minutes when to get it in.
When do you put it in the oven, do you? No. Okay. Sorry.
I'm putting some herbs and spices in, right?
And you put that in, do you?
These...
Sorry.
We're on fire this morning for a Monday morning. Not bad. These are spices, right? They're a blend of seasonings. They're from one of the Irish supermarkets. Okay. They're really lovely. I'll put a picture on my Instagram afterwards. Really lovely. But it is basically a blend of garlic, parsley, chilli, smoked salt.
Oh, wow.
So chili again for the heat.
And what's it called?
Salt.
Just a seasoning mix
one is
or something?
A sweet and smoky one, and one is a Mediterranean one. So we're really bringing all those Mediterranean flavours today. So that's in there.
Right.
We're going to turn the heat up on this into my tray. Couple little banana shallots, little onions. Red onions work lovely. I've just taken the skin off them. So we're going to build all the layers in here. Garlic, I'm just going to cut it in half.
Oh, nice.
And then what happens is these little guys will just cook in their skins. We'll pop them out of their skin. This one we can use to squeeze into a mayonnaise to sit on top. So we're going to put that in. Little potatoes, baby potatoes.
You're not parboiling the potatoes?
Not at all. This is quick and easy dinner, but full of flavour. And I like to kind of cut them this like kind of fingerling style.
They have to stay for a good while in the oven then for those potatoes to cook, aren't
This
they?
cooks for an hour.
An hour, okay.
In the oven for an hour, yeah. And you know what? That's for the flavour as much as for everything else, you know. A couple of sweet potatoes in there, optional. Then we're going to I have some lovely diced up sweet long red pepper. That's going to go in. Cherry tomatoes. So you can feel like the Mediterranean vibes of this, which is really lovely.
The colours.
We're going to pour all this over here. And don't worry about like spreading it out too much because the heat in the oven will just do the work for you. So just coat everything really nicely. Nice. And then our beautiful chicken sits on top of this. So let's see how this is doing.
Amazing.
See that golden colour?
Isn't it?
It's so handy.
It's lovely.
I can see what you're saying about the chicken breast, because if they were going into the oven for an hour, they probably would dry out totally, wouldn't they?
That's the thing, they do. Now, the sauce and the juice will kind of keep everything really moist, but I would say, like, that's why on the bone, because when chicken's on the bone, see that? That's coming off the chicken thighs. Yeah. That's the flavour, like, that's just lovely.
Okay.
So then we're going to take these guys, we'll turn them off, right? So for the purposes of today, we'll say they're fully cooked, but you just want that little caramelisation on them.
Well, you don't want them fully cooked, you just want the top done, really,
just
don't
that
you?
colour. Yeah, that's it. So all of this some of that lovely fat in there. In the oven for 1 hour, okay?
That's like a good family of 6 nearly for that.
Absolutely. And like I said to you,
Well
the
fed.
lovely thing is that it will cook away, and what's left over is perfect for tomorrow, which is really nice. Thank you. I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to take out the one that we have done already. So look at this. So the colour changes, and it's incredibly deep, dark, golden. The secret to this is how you finish this dish, okay? So,
Lemon.
little bit of lemon, everything, right, for balance. So you need a little bit of salty, a little bit of heat, a little bit of smoky, a little bit of spicy. So we're going to squeeze some lemon over the top. That cuts through the richness and the fattiness.
I'd never thought to put lemon on
Lemon chicken.
You know what?
Good,
It's a real Mediterranean thing.
What's this bit now?
Feta.
Oh, right, okay.
So this is the salty, creamy that sits on top.
Right.
And would you put that back in the oven and let it...
No, the heat, there's enough heat,
The heat
in this
is
just
enough
to mix
there,
it down.
is it, to melt it?
I love olives, so I'm going to finish it with a couple of
God,
olives.
that's very odd. Oh, that's olives.
See, it's really Mediterranean.
Yeah.
So I suppose that's kind of where you're going then. I'm going to spoon some of this up for you guys,
Great.
right?
It looks
Yeah,
lovely.
looks
It
gorgeous.
is so good. And then
And you
we're
have some
going
nice
to
focaccia bread here as well, don't you?
catch bread. We've got the potatoes, but also fresh herbs. Fresh herbs are so good. They're like, you know, free
Look at the
calories.
ju- I
They're
see, I love the
delicious.
juices now
yeah,
that you
look,
see in that,
and that's why
yeah.
the bread mops up all of these juices. We're going to
Beautiful.
pop this here, and then a little bit of rocket. Because
I
you want
don't
your
mind
lovely
that.
bit of fresh green. This is a beautiful garlic aioli. So what I did was that clove of garlic that was left over.
Yeah.
You get your mayonnaise, squeeze that in, tiny little crack of black pepper over the top, little bit of parsley, and that
Jeez,
is
Ashley, look at this.
delicious.
And
Isn't
that's
it
just
so
mine.
tasty?
That's just yours. There you
I'm
go,
going to get Adam one ready to go.
Wow.
But the potatoes are lovely, like the next day, but the potatoes absorb all of these fabulous, fabulous juices, and it's just so tasty. And it's real family dining, isn't it? It's simple, but lovely.
I'll just have that. Forget about all the trimmings and all that. Just
The,
really
aioli?
The sauce on that with then the garlic aioli is beautiful.
Isn't it lovely?
Sorry, the skin, the crispy skin.
Oh, yeah,
crispy
on the
skin
chicken.
on it, yeah.
And like the potatoes have soaked up the chicken fat, the nduja, the garlic, the onions, the fennel. It's lovely.
Oh my God. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I was enjoying the chicken.
Ruining his dinner.
Tommy.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, very good. Thank you, Al. Thank you. Right, see you later. Thank you. Right. Thank you.
It's delicious.
Aisling Larkin.
Thank you.
Beautiful.